Catch up before that weed come up. Alright, one right there, right? One there, this stuff. What's it? Tell me what I go on now. Well, right that's all. Right that's all the first shot. Put the film right over there, that's all. I set out one live bank on this right here, so. Right here, so I set it right at the first shot I put out right here, so. Only two rod I set. Only two rod I set today, you know. But now, I set out the lucky rod again. Alright. So guys, I put out the first bait now. No. First bait, you know it now go too far because the weed, not the weed, the line dry, braided line. When braided line dry, it's hard to cast up on the first cast, you know, because it stick on to one another. You know, so come on, stick on to one another, stick on the spool. So I'm now get it far out, but I still I'll throw it out and see, you know. So right, so that's the first one out. Hope it drop in a snap them out until I'm ready to throw it again. See some weed in the water there, you know, I wonder if it will come all the way down here. So let's hope not, you know. Alright. So first bait out, people, first one out. Let's see what we're going to catch now, no? Yeah. Alright, so first one that's out. Now make sure you put the drag kind of slack because see them kind of fish, you know. Especially snapper them. When them feel weight on the line, you know, them let it go, you know. So I don't know if there's gonna be a problem right here. So if we tighten the jog too tight now. But yeah, so first one that out, alright? I'm gonna head that hook on the show. So as I tell you guys, I'm going to use a rubber band to hold down the bait. See it here? So the hook here now, this is the hook, right? See the hook here, right? And I'm going to hook the bait now. This is the head part of the bait that I use, right? The bang. So I push the hook through like that, and then I try and put it through the belly. Not the backbone, the belly. The softest part of the fish that you can tear out easy. You understand me? So I'm using 40-pound cable wire, so it's easy to pull through. It looks better than the stiff wire, you know. So I put it through like that, bring it all the way up, so you have it like this. So the point of the hook project out, and I use the rubber band like this now and put it right under the gill like this. You see, and band down the hook, let it go and fly out. The only way this thing fly out now is if a fish take the line and run with it. You know, then just tear out, everything tear out and hook the fish while we take the bait, you know, see it here. Yeah, right here, so just like that. Alright? Put it out now. So we're going to put it out now. That's cut bait. Alright, so this one further out. So far we can show this next one. But I have to pull up my water boot already. Just see. Rubbish! Alright, let me see how far I can show that one here now. Far out more show that one here. So let me see now. Oh there! Not too far, what? Far but not too far, you know? It's gone now and stop them out still. Alright, so second rod out, people, second rod out. with a bang head. Huh? What you say? No, lucky rod put out yet. We did pull it up and take off the sink and everything off it, so I can set it back up. Yes, see, so this is a lucky rod now. This is a look on the rod, you see it? I don't know this rod. Everybody know this rod, you know. Everybody know this rod and this reel. Lucky rod and reel, so I put it out now. I'm better say if you don't mind sharp, you know. I better say I got pick up today. Eh? I bet you. Watch this now. So far we can't check that. 30 pound, 30 pound, 4 pound, so we kind of thin it and 3 ounce sink as it, no, we can't go far. Right. Good distance out, not too far still, but a good distance out. You know, but anyway out there, so big fish pass, so and just make sure you're beating the water at all times, you know what I mean? Yeah. See it here now, lucky rod out now. See it here now, brother, lucky rod out, you know. So you know you have to keep an eye on this rod, you know, because this rod is a little sneaking rod, you know. If you just start bend up and running, you know, you don't see it yet. Yeah man, the secret rod. 30 pound 4 Pro braid, man. 30 pound setup, full 30 pound setup this. The only thing from this at 40 is the wire. But the shock lead at 30, the main line is 30 pound braid. Without, I think it's a 4-rod J-hook. I think it's a 4-rod J-hook, you know, 4. Kind of big like the 5 a little bigger. Alright, so this one out now, so 3 rod out now, lucky rod and everybody out, so time for run off now, see that? 1, 2, 3. So we'll catch you guys on the hook up, alright? So we soon come back now. Fish on, brother. Fish on, ready? Come here, boy. Come here. Fish on, ready? Dead. Stuck. You can't stop. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, I said, come here. Huh? Come here, boy. Well, I feel like a stinger, you know. Yeah, like a young stingers, them. Come here, boy, come here. Come here, man, come here. Come here, man, come here. What kind of fish is, man? Fish I feel like. Come here, you don't run like the African, so what kind of fish is? Come here. Feel like a stinger as this dog. Get up on your line? Eh? Get up on your line? Something really run out. Something old, but I don't know what kind of fish it is. But now I see a bad fish until I see him. Until I see him, you know? I have to see him first. You see him first and say, yeah, I want bad fish, eh? Oh no, Sting here, man. Go for gas and gas motor. No man want to move man, I take motor out and take a move. Can't even get my out man. Wait, that's what I'm Come on, get rid of this thing, come on. On this one and then never make it, so don't change it and put on another bait. Use it as cut bait. I bait this? Catch a fish, whether it's a snapper, jack, African pompano, barracuda, anything at all. We want to catch a fish today, so we have to catch one. So we set out a live bait and a cut bait again and wait for it now, so stay tuned, we'll get back to you on the hookup. Fish on every time. Oh, slow like I don't know. I thought about this one, sir. Thought about this one. So go back slow. Fish on, what a turn back. Full of it. You feel like the same turn back this one because more now bigger. Yeah. Oh, because you can't see man in dead. can't look like that, I'm going to run again. You know. I'll go down for the ride them long time. Yeah, if I turn back this, you see, if I turn back this, eh? Yeah, I pack up and go to my yard. Take up all of them right there right now.
If I want big slope,
Come on.
snapper, 4 beer.
Nah, you don't want to turn back here? You don't want to say that? Nah, go down the side, look back. Look down the side, see how. Can you come on the side? You might come in now. You run again, you run again. Yes, I run again.